Where are you going? What will you do? Hey, it's Megan, brings the world to you.
The reason why I haven't been lately is because it's been so hot in Florida. So hot. And Animal Kingdom is the hottest park on property. So there's that. So today's not so hot, so it's a good thing. I think I'm going to start off with lunch at Flame Tree Barbecue. I've not had food from here before, so I think I'm going to get something. So I got an Island Breeze. This is mango and raspberry slushies with coconut rum in it. That was $13.50. And then I got the pulled pork sandwich with coleslaw and beans. I'll open this up just so you can kind of take a look. And then they gave me some barbecue sauce as well. And that was $11.79. Now that I'm done with lunch, I'm going to mosey over. Sorry, I got out of it. Now that I'm done with lunch, I'm going to mosey over, see how long the wait is for Moana. And then go over to Cali, because it's right around the corner. And it says it's a 10-minute wait, so that will be great. Yeah, let's go. The food was pretty tasty. The barbecue sandwich was good. The beans were good. The drink is better when it starts melting down and mixes together. Like, I don't know if it necessarily, it's a slushy, it's good on a hot day, but I like it melt, like as it's melting down. It's better though. So that was a lot of fun. I didn't get completely soaked, which I guess is a win. I did get cooled down though, did get a little wet. So I have a DAS pass that I use when needed. I have anxiety, PTSD, the gamut. And I ended up getting one for Flight of Passage when I came through. Just because, so that is in about a half an hour. So I'm going to kind of mosey in the Avatar direction from here. And I'll ride that. I think that ride is more of that isn't film well. So I'll let you know how I like it. I have not ridden it. But yeah, we'll mosey for a while. 15-minute wait. I could deal with that. So I'm passing by a little gift shop next to Yak and Yeti. Super cute dress. Super cute stuff. Okay, I don't see a price on it though, so. Super cute. So this, it's like a t-shirt. It's very lightweight. I like that. $55.
I just read personal as I guess on top.
So like saris, like legit saris. Let's see here. $34. Cute. I like this one. It says Juice Kindness. It's an elephant. How much is this? Can I find the tag? Let's see. $68. I like it though. Ganesh. Shiva, maybe? Buddha. I see somebody coming. Who is it? Can we figure out who it is yet? Pluto, maybe? Oh, wait till they come down closer. I can't think of their names, but it's the little boy from Up and the dog. I don't know if you... Am I getting them? Maybe not. Hold on. There they go. This is a cute Spirit jersey. Wild about Disney. Super cute. And a fanny pack. It's Kevin! So Moana was a 30 to 45 minute wait. I am not a fan of waiting in lines that long, so I passed. So we've made it to the line. Oh my goodness, Flight of Passage, let me tell you, it's so much fun. I could see why the line for Flight of Passage is constantly a long line. It is so much fun. It's so cool if you're on the fence about doing Flight of Passage, 100% do it. Such a fun ride. All right, friends, I think I'm gonna call it a day. It is getting really hot right now. It's like midday, the hottest part of the day. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut my day short, maybe a little bit. Go home. It was really fun though. Finally rode Flight of Avatar. Rode Cali River Rapids after months of thinking about riding it. Yeah, had so much good day. So until next time, remember to like, subscribe, comment, all the things. That helps my channel. That helps this video get out to more people. So until next time, take care, and I'll see you later. Bye.